Welcome to this complete Malaga, Spain guide. A city where the sun shines bright, culture runs deep, and history stands proud. Malaga is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Today we delve into a journey through 10 of its most enchanting locales. We'll cover everything from the towering Alcazaba of Malaga to the vibrant Soho Street Art District, the serene botanical gardens, and beyond. Each spot a testament to Malaga's rich tapestry of experiences. Are you ready to explore this Spanish gem? Let's dive in with our 10th spot. Starting off our countdown is the Alcazaba of Malaga, a fortress that dates back to the palmy days of the Moors in the 11th century. Alcazaba is an architectural marvel. This citadel, perched high above the city, offers a delightful mix of Roman and Moorish design elements. The name Alcazaba stems from the Arabic word Alcazba, meaning a citadel, and it's a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of Malaga. As you wander through its labyrinthine passages, you'll be struck by the intricate stonework, the lush greenery of its gardens, and the panoramic views of the city. The Alcazaba is more than just a fortress. It's a time capsule that transports you back to a bygone era. And let's not forget the Alcazaba's younger sibling, the Gibralfaro Castle, standing guard over the city from the hilltop. But that's a tale for another time. With such a rich history, the Alcazaba is a must-visit for any history buff. Next up, the Picasso Museum, a tribute to Malaga's most famous son. Here in the heart of the city, you'll find a treasure trove of over 200 works by the great Pablo Picasso. From his early sketches to his later masterpieces, the museum provides a comprehensive journey through Picasso's innovative and influential career. His unique approach to art redefined visual language in the 20th century, and you'll get to witness it unfold in the rooms of this elegant palace. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions, workshops, and activities, making it a vibrant hub of art and culture. It's a place where art comes to life, where each painting tells a story, where every sculpture holds a secret. Picasso once said, "Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life," and indeed a stroll through this museum does just that. For art lovers, a visit to the Picasso Museum is simply non-negotiable. Moving on to the Malaga Cathedral, a stunning example of Spanish Renaissance architecture. Known locally as La Manquita, or the One-Armed Woman, this structure is a marvel of intricate design. Its nickname comes from the fact that it has only one completed tower, a charming embodiment of the city's whimsical spirit. The cathedral's construction began in the 16th century on the site of a former mosque, a testament to the city's rich cultural history. The interior is a spectacle of grandeur with its vast nave, beautifully carved choir stalls, and an array of religious artwork. Among these, the statues of the Virgin of the Incarnation and the bejeweled tabernacle are definite highlights. Interestingly, the cathedral also boasts a rooftop walkway, offering panoramic views of the city and the sparkling Mediterranean beyond. This is a place where faith meets beauty and history intertwines with art. The Malaga Cathedral, a testament to Malaga's deep-rooted faith and architectural prowess. Halfway through our countdown, we have the Gibralfaro Castle. This magnificent fortress, perched high above the city, is a testament to Malaga's rich and varied history. Constructed in the 14th century by the Moors, Gibralfaro Castle not only served as a strategic defense point, but it also became a symbol of the city's resilience and perseverance. The castle's sturdy walls and robust design played a pivotal role in protecting the city during numerous sieges. But it's not all about military might. The castle, with its sweeping views of Malaga, offers a perspective that's as breathtaking as it is panoramic. From the city's sun-drenched rooftops to the azure Mediterranean Sea, the vista from Gibralfaro Castle is a feast for the eyes. A visit here is like stepping back in time, a chance to walk in the footsteps of the city's ancestors and experience a slice of Malaga's past. For the best views in town, Gibralfaro Castle surely takes the crown. Next, we travel back in time to the Roman Theatre of Malaga. This archaeological gem, nestled in the heart of the city, is a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Built in the 1st century AD, it's one of the oldest and best preserved remnants of Roman Hispania. Its architectural style, with its semi-circular orchestra and tiered seating, is a classic example of Roman theatre design. The theatre was cleverly built into the hillside, using the natural slope for the audience seating area known as the cavea. Over the centuries, the theatre has been a silent witness to the unfolding history of Malaga. Today it's not just a monument to the past, but a vibrant part of the city's cultural scene. Hosting a variety of events from classical plays to music concerts, the theatre continues to entertain just as it did 2,000 years ago, the Roman theatre where history and culture come alive. From history to the beach, our seventh spot is Playa de la Malagueta. This idyllic spot, cocooned by the Mediterranean Sea, is a haven for those who fancy a bit of sun, sand and surf. Imagine sinking your toes into the golden sand as the gentle sea breeze tousles your hair. Ah, bliss. The beach is a vibrant canvas of life, painted with splashes of colour from the parasols dotting the coastline and lively chatter of beachgoers enjoying a game of beach volleyball or building sandcastles. The azure waters, pristine and inviting, are perfect for a quick dip or a leisurely swim. Local chiringuitos offer tantalizing Spanish delicacies to sate your hunger after a fun-filled day. Picture yourself lounging on a sunbed, sipping a chilled sangria and feasting on a plate of paella as you watch the sun set on the horizon. For some sun, sand and sea, Playa de la Malagueta is the place to be. Moving on to the pulsating heart of Malaga, the Atarazanas market. A feast for the senses, this vibrant hub is the city's gastronomic epicenter. It's a place where locals and travelers alike come to experience the rich tapestry of Andalusian flavors. Every turn in this bustling marketplace reveals a cornucopia of fresh produce, from sun-ripened tomatoes to the day's catch from the azure Mediterranean Sea. The air is rich with the scent of olives, cheese and freshly baked bread, creating a mouth-watering aroma that's impossible to resist. Here you'll find a treasure trove of local delicacies, cured hams hanging from the ceiling, stalls piled high with the sweetest oranges, and the alluring smell of churros being fried to perfection. It's an authentic slice of Malaga life, a symphony of sights, sounds, and tastes that encapsulate the city's culinary heritage. To truly taste Malaga, the Atarazanas market is a must. Finally, we have arrived at our top spot, the Botanical Gardens. A true jewel of Malaga, La Concepción is a vibrant sanctuary of lush greenery, teeming with an impressive variety of flora from around the globe. Here, you can lose yourself amidst towering tropical trees, vibrant flowers and delicate ferns, each plant telling its own fascinating tale. This haven of tranquility offers more than just a feast for the eyes. The air is filled with a symphony of bird songs, the rustling of leaves and the distant murmur of waterfalls, creating an atmosphere of serene harmony. It's a place to pause, to breathe, to connect with nature's rhythm. The gardens also boast stunning landscapes, from manicured lawns and romantic rose gardens to the picturesque vistas from the historic viewpoint. You're not just walking through a garden, you're stepping into a living tapestry of color, texture and fragrance. The Botanical Gardens, a green oasis in the heart of Malaga. There you have it, our top 10 spots in Malaga. From the majestic Alcazaba and Gibralfaro Castle to the artistic Picasso Museum and Soho Street Art District. We've journeyed through time at the Roman Theatre, experienced the vibrant Atarazanas market, and relaxed at Playa de la Malagueta. We've admired the grandeur of Málaga Cathedral, explored the Automobile and Fashion Museum, and wandered the serene Botanical Gardens. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Malaga. Until next time, happy travels.